What's up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today's Saturday, April 5th, and today we're going to show you guys what a day in our busy season can look like and how to be prepared for it, and also what our sales look like on a day like today. So today we have about 7 cars in the schedule. I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of each job, some B-roll of the installs, and some drone shots of every single job. Let's get into the video. Today, first car is a Toyota. I'm not really sure what kind of Toyota. What kind of Toyota is this? Prius. Toyota Prius. So let's get at it. All right, guys, so now that we're done with this vehicle, the previous vehicle, we're now working on this Honda Civic, and all we're doing is a front windshield and a sun strip. Should take us about like 30 minutes. Let's get started, finish it up, and then move on to the next Honda. All right, guys, next job is gonna be a Honda, and we're gonna be doing 5% in the back half, 20% in the front half in our carbon window film. This is RP Films. This is gonna be a great product for protection, durability, and it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and finish it up. All right, guys, the next car we're working on is another Honda. It's a Honda day. Saturday, we're getting off easy today. So 5% in the back half, 20% in the front half. This is our standard film going in. This should take us about 45 minutes or less. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, guys, so we are done with the last job of the day. We didn't get an intro clip, but we'll get a drone shot of the full vehicle. We did 5% in the back half and I believe 5% in the front half. So it was a full vehicle tint, ceramic tint all the way around. We are done for the day. It's 12:30. We started at 8. Got 5 jobs done today. We're gonna be totaling out every single job. We'll walk into the office and break down the entire day for you guys today. All right guys, so job number 1, we did a $300 full install. Job number 2, we did a $405. So we're at 300, 405, 225, 475, 220. So today's total, guys, Saturday half day, we did $1,625 in total sales. Great day. Definitely thought we were gonna do 3 more, so we were wanting to get to 2,000, but it's all good. Beginning of the busy season, so things are looking good. Now, if you guys want to know how we track all of our jobs and how we do everything, so we actually track all of our sales, all of our appointments, our website and everything with RP Film CRM. You can actually basically sign up for a call on our Calendly and we can show you how to use the software, but everything is available for a 7-day free trial. So if you want to power your shop and have a great, amazing website with which basically functions and automatically quotes jobs, automatically books jobs, sends customers SMS reminders, replaces your website, manages your entire tint shop. This is a really cool tool to use, guys. And if you don't have it in your shop, you're losing a lot of money and you're probably being overly complicated in how you're running all your online systems. So make sure to click the link below to get your 7-day free trial. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a full day. It was a good day. It was kind of like a half day, but we're just here till 2 because the customer took forever to pick up. But that was from 8 to about 12:30 today. So good day. 5 cars, should have been 8, but we had one that he broke down on the way here, another one was sick, and then 1 no-show. So pretty high conversion today. Great Saturday. So let's move on into the week and finalize this week and wrap it all up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, try the 7-day free trial of our CRM, and don't forget, we sell films. This is our California West Coast distribution center. So make sure to check out our window films coming soon, our vinyl wraps, and a ton of supplies that are coming to the website that are going to be very helpful tools for you guys to install. And a brand new website is going to be updated pretty soon. So check out all the links below, guys. Can't wait to see you in another video. Take care.